I guess it only creates from the recording.
Okay, so LoneStar 74. D says change the number to a fraction and then find the sum or difference. So you're going to change the decimal to a fraction. So 5/10 is 5 over 10. And 1/10 is 1 over 10. So you're going to take these two and you're going to add 2/3 plus 5/10. And then you're going to take 4/5 and subtract 1/10. So you're going to make find a common denominator between 3 and 10. That is your LCM. You're going to make equivalent fractions. So 3 times what equals this number here. And then whatever you multiply by here, you're going to multiply up here, up here, okay, to make this number. Then 10 times whatever equals this, and then you're going to multiply to get this number. And then you're going to add the numerators, and then you're going to do the same thing over here, okay? Look at yesterday's? Look at the last couple of them to really see it. I don't want to do all the steps because I want you to do it. We've been doing this a few days, so I want you to do this one by yourself. Okay, E says use the reference chart to calculate each conversion. All right, so we're looking customary conversions. This is our big side because 1 foot equals 12 inches. In other words, it takes 12 little bitty inches, which is small, to make 1 big foot. It takes 3 feet or 3 rulers to make 1 yard and 1,760 yards to make 1 mile. Okay? All right. So next thing we need to realize is if we're going from a big to a small measurement, we are multiplying. And if we're going from a small to a big measurement, we are dividing. Okay? So let's look at 2 miles equals yards. So if I'm looking at miles to yards, I'm looking right here. 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. So that means the mile is the big measurement and yards over here is the small measurement. So we're going big to small, so we're going to use B times S. So we're going to multiply. Now, remember what I said. You're never ever going to multiply by the 1 or divide by the 1. You're always going to multiply or divide by your small numbers. So in this case, we're going to multiply times 1,760. So 1,760 times 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. So 3,520 yards. So 2 miles equals 3,520 yards. That was a big to small. Okay? Now, real quick before I finish this one says 3 yards equals blank inches. Yards to inches isn't on here, is it? So you have to think. There's 1 foot equals 12 inches and 3 feet equals 1 yard. So there are 36. 12 times 3 would be 36. 36 inches in 1 yard. Okay? Just a little hint there. All right.